myESPS is a secure area of your pension website where you can find details of your ESPS pension, making it easy for you to manage, anytime, anywhere. Let's take a look at what you can do. If you're an active or deferred member, you can check your membership records and the current value of your benefits, get real-time estimates of your benefits if you retire at normal retirement age to help you plan for retirement, update your contact details, like your email, phone number and address, keep your nominations up to date, and send any queries you have directly to the scheme administrator. If you're retired, you can keep your nominations up to date if you retired in the last 5 years, view and update your contact and bank details, check your pension payslips and P60s, and send any queries you have directly to the scheme administrator. myESPS is safe, secure and easy to use, and it only takes minutes to register for an account. All you need is your activation code, which was sent to you by post, date of birth, national insurance number, and email address. You'll be asked to create a password and memorable passphrase, and that's it. Easy. Log in whenever and wherever is convenient for you and take control of your future by managing your pension today.